I've never really told you the story behind this song, no? ये कुकी का फेवरेट गाना था। जब वो खुश होती थी तो ये गाना सुनती थी और जब वो दुखी होती थी तो भी यही गाना सुनती थी। और उनके जाने के बाद ये दादा का फेवरेट गाना बन गया। You know, whenever he would listen to this song, you would feel her around, you know, you would feel her around the house, feel her perfume, her hustle bustle. You could even smell a little bit of tadka coming from the kitchen, you know. He'd just be transported. You know, I've only really known this version of my father without my mother. Does that make sense? He was like he was like an airtight container. He would not let anything out. No feelings, no real talk, no vulnerabilities. लेकिन लोगों से बातें करके, लोगों की बातें सुन के मुझे ये पता है कि वो हमेशा से ऐसे नहीं थे. He was a very different person with my mother. You know, एक बार मैंने उनकी कुछ फोटोज देखी, पुरानी फोटोज, you know, उनके पुराने घर में where he used to live before he got married. It was as if that house was empty. It was robbed. There was nothing in there. और वही सेम घर शादी के बाद was filled with colors and plants and random showpieces. Cookie changed everything in his life. She changed everything when she entered his life, and she changed everything again when she left. He became a very different person. I guess his way of dealing with grief was to just close himself to the world, you know? मतलब जो जो करना है वो करते चलो, बस सोचो मत, just keep moving forward. And that's how he raised me. To never confront my feelings, to never feel whatever turmoil or confusion I was facing. Matlab, just keep moving forward. Till I met you, of course. You know, you add color to my life. The way she added to his. You make it easier to feel, to live, to love. And शायद मैं भी तुम्हारी तरह होती if I was raised by her, or if I was raised by that version of my father, who he was when he was with her. But I never, ever got to see that. I longed to see a glimpse of it, you know, like मुझे कहीं पे थोड़ा सा उनका वो version दिख जाए, लेकिन it was too hard. And I tried so many things, you know, like learning this song and playing it on the piano. You know, एक दिन मैंने decide किया कि मैं उन्हें surprise करूँगी, and I played this song for him, and he watched me play, and then he just did some small talk about like what to have for dinner, and he just moved on with his day. I got nothing from him. I'm sorry. I guess what I'm trying to say is that इसीलिए मेरे लिए कभी-कभी it's a little bit hard to express whatever's happening inside or to explain myself, and I'm working on it, and I know you've been so patient with me. Thank you for that, and I love you. Thank you so much. My name is Aishwarya Kumar, and this was my original piece, Abhi Na Jao Chhodkar. Thank you.